pictures of the kitties? Oh, he says he wants to stay in there. Do you want to come out? The kitty can stay in there. Nice kitty. Nice kitty. Nice kitty. There. You too? Oh, there you go. There. Ocean.
You did.
Try to bring the fishing line.
Right.
I'm just wondering if you know what time it is. I kind of want to go to work for all time and not do it like a dog. Be quiet. If you don't know when time to be home, should I leave the dog outside then?
Yeah.
You getting them cats, Ruger?
What did you say?
He's gonna make it out. Oh no. I'm not taking the dog out now.
The dog in the house.